Namaste Yogis. So today I brought a very interesting video which is about the winters, and in winters which pranayama is required, and after practicing that pranayama you can work on your cold, sinuses, and I will also show you some other practices that you can check. So it keeps you well protected in winters and you don't feel any cold. So you can make cold your good friend. So thank you for watching. Pranayama for the cold or the winters. So if you're aware about Surya Bhedana Pranayama, it's called sun piercing pranayama, Yoga Danda. So the importance of Yoga Danda in your practice, because this Yoga Danda you can use in many practices, especially when you do your pranayama. You may practice. I will show you how to use it properly. And for Surya Bhedana, what is the requirement? When should you practice Surya Bhedana? How to practice Surya Bhedana? I have separate video on Surya Bhedana, so you may go and watch what is Surya Bhedana, but I will show you a very limited part of Surya Bhedana. But my main working is how to take care of the cold. First, to check which passage is active at present, which is very important. I would highly advise that in your daily practice, in your daily routine, make your routine, your working in that way as your passage is working. I would say 10 to 20% if you can manage. If you can work according to your breath work and to check which side is active, which side is active now, means it will give you clear instruction that this activity could happen. So if you are aware about your left and right passage, so left is concerned with Ida and right is concerned with Pingla. So Ida means in Sanskrit Ida, which is called moon, Pingla, which is called sun. Summer we need cooling, we need our body temperature to be down, and in winters we need a lot of heat, so we cannot bear that difference. But the nature brings everything which has a reason, which is required. So if we are talking about how to increase the heat, so it's in our control. Actually, nature gave us that remote control to control what we want. So if you're talking about how to increase the heat, so of course we have to hit our right passage. Always remember your left passage for cooling, your right passage for the heat. So of course if you're talking about to increase the heat, what we will do, we will close our left nostril, we will inhale with right. In starting, just keep it on, inhale and exhale with the same. The reason is still if your right passage is not active, so you can continuously hit this point, Pingla. What it will do, it will open this point, means your right passage is clear. And then one change you do, you only inhale with the right, you will keep your inhalation with right passage. But after checking that your right passage is on, it's open, you exhale through left. Our Surya Bhedi Pranayama or sun piercing pranayama. Now Yoga Danda. How Yoga Danda helps? So means if my right passage is not working, looking, I have been tried, but I see it's not working. So what you need to do, you have to put Yoga Danda left side. So what it does, it reflects on the other side. If I'm working on the right, I have to put on the left, and then I should practice. This is the practice of Surya Bhedi Pranayama with Yoga Danda. You may daily practice at least 3 to 5 minutes of the Surya Bhedana Pranayama, and it works in different ways. First, in the very beginning, you will feel a lot of heat in your body. It will definitely work on your sinuses. If you have dry sinuses or other types of sinuses, it will work on that. It also works to boost your memory. Sometimes, if your memory is weak, you may try Surya Bhedi Pranayama. And the other practice, the second practice, if you really have congestion in your chest, your throat is having trouble, so what you may do before sleep, as you go to sleep, only try this practice. If you have fresh cow's ghee, but the ghee should be of the cow. If you know personally the milk is coming and the ghee is fresh, it's pure, you may use that ghee, because in Ayurveda ghee is considered as rasayan, means which is giving your body that nourishment. Ghee should be pure. So what you do, you just take a little piece of ghee, a very tiny particle, make it warm, and when you will see it's in the drops, it's in liquid form, take a spoon or some dropper. What you have to do before sleep, you should put it mainly on your right passage, and if you can do, also do on the left, and go to sleep. When you will open your eyes in the morning, you will definitely find your passage will be open. It's very effective in sinuses. It's very effective when you have that cold that it is not going to disappear. When you have chest pain, you feel a lot of tightness, you feel very much unhealthy over the chest. So ghee, pure ghee works a lot. And then we come on our Sutra Neti, Jal Neti. So these two netis are very much required. Again, I have separate videos on Neti. I have separate video on Jal Neti. I have separate video on Sutra Neti. I can put the link in description so you may directly watch. So Jal Neti, what you should do, you may put the water, you may make it not so hot, the temperature what you can bear for the nasal should be mild. So after that, put little Himalayan salt in that, mix it up, and in Jal Neti, of course, you have to put the passage of the pot on one side, you put the stream here, exhale through the right, and then from the right and through the left. And the last practice, you may also try Sutra Neti. The Sutra Neti, in that thread, there are 2 threads. So I would suggest the rubber, which is a pipe, very tiny pipe. So the structure is that it goes to your nasal and you can easily get through with your mouth. And then you have to do exercise here on both sides. So this is also very much effective to open your passages. So after that, when your passages are open, so all these things are how to open your passages. So then you may practice Surya Bhedi Pranayama. So hope this video is quite informative. If you have questions, please don't hesitate. Put below in the comments. Ask questions, share this video. It goes to right people. And thank you for watching. Namaste.